Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate a 3D miniature version of yourself in Google Gemini. Now I know how to pronounce it. So I'm just going to paste this prompt. I will put the prompt in the description box down below. It's in the description box, okay guys? So if you ask again in the comments, it's in the description box down below if you do not want to type it again and just want to copy and paste this. Get this prompt and you're going to select your image here and you're just going to press submit. Then once you're done, this is what your image should look like. There is a 3D model of yourself, even with the box and the application here. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Super cute. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.